Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your science class now. Students, hope you have gone through the chapter, season and clothing, chapter 12. Students, take out your book, page number 56. Today we are going to do the exercises. Okay, we will practice exercises today. Page number 56, science book, page number 56. Open your book, page number 56. Okay, so A, what is given in A? What you have to do? Take the correct answers. Okay, so read out. 1. A particular type of weather that remains for a month or two is called. Options are A. Season, B. Year, C. Summer. What is the correct option? Yes, it is A. Season. Put a tick mark on the circle A. Now, 2. We have winter from dash every year. The options are A. December to May, B. December to February, C. December to June. What is the correct option? The correct option is B. Put a tick mark on the circle B. Okay, now B. Circle the odd ones. Circle the odd ones. Okay, let us see. 1. Fan, cooler, coats. We use fan and cooler in the summer, but coat we are not that we use in winter only. Okay, so odd one out. Circle the winter. Circle the coat. Circle the coats. Okay. Now 2. Tea, soft drink, coffee. Tea and coffee we have in winter days. Okay. But soft drink that we have in summer days. So circle soft drink. Odd one out. Okay. Third one is sweater, coat, umbrella. Sweater and coat we use in winter days. No, in winter season we use sweater and coat. But umbrella we use in the rainy season. Okay. So circle umbrella. Circle umbrella. That is odd one out. Now come on to see. Complete the sentences with the help of the words given below. Read the words rain, rainbows, then April, rainy, water. 1. The month of summer season are dash May and June. What will be there? What you will fill here? You will fill April. A-P-R-I-L, April. Number 2. We should drink plenty of dash during summer. What you will drink? Cold drinks? No. Normal water. So, we should drink plenty of water during summer. 3. We see a dash in the sky during rainy season. What we see? Yes, it is rainbow. Yes, rainbow. Very good. We see a rainbow in the sky during rainy season. Number 4. Dash provides water for the crops. Yes, what will be the which word you will put here? Yes, it is rain. Rain provides water for the crops. Next, number 5. During dash season, we carry umbrellas or wear raincoats and gumboots. Yes, it is rainy season. Otherwise, will become wet. Okay. So, during rainy season, we carry umbrellas or wear raincoats and gumboots. Now, come on to value corner. See, Prayash donates his old wooden clothes. Listen. Prayash donates his old woolen clothes every year in an orphanage. Orphanage means his father, mother, his parents are not alive or not with him. The children live in orphanage. Okay. So, what do you learn from Pratyaksh? Pratyaksh donates his old woolen clothes every year. Okay, where? In the orphanage. So, what do you learn from Pratyaksh? Yes, the options are honesty, B. politeness, C. kindness. The correct option is kindness. He is very kind. Pratyaksh is a kind boy. Okay. So, you will put a tick on kindness. This is his kindness. Pratyaksh's kindness, that he donates his old woolen clothes every year in an orphanage. Okay. So, this exercises you will do in the book only. Now, what we will do? We will do D. Answer the following questions that you will write in your classwork copy. Okay? You will write date, then name of the chapter, then write D. What is instruction? Write the instruction. What is given? Answer the following question. Write down the instruction, then write the question. Number 1, what does it become hot during summer? Sorry. Why does it become hot during summer? The answer is, it becomes hot during summer because the sun shines directly over us during this season. I am repeating. Why does it become hot during summer? It becomes hot during summer because the sun shines directly over us during this season. Number 2, why do farmers wait for the rain? Why do farmers wait for the rain? Answer, farmers wait for the rain because it provides water for the crops to grow. Farmers wait for the rain because it provides water for the crops to grow. It provides. It means rain. Rain provides. Rain provides. Okay. Rain provides. Instead of rain, we will write here it. It provides water for the crops to grow. Number 3, what do we do to protect ourselves from the cold in winter? What we do, that you have to write. We wear woolen clothes, take hot drinks and use room heater to keep us warm in winter. Okay, we wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes, take hot drinks and use room heater to keep us warm in winter. Okay. Next, question number 4. What do we do to protect ourselves from the heat of summer? Yes, we wear loose light colored cotton clothes. What we wear? Loose light colored cotton clothes. Drink plenty of water and we use fan and coolers in summer. Okay. Now question number 5. Now question number 5. What is weather? Answer. The condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time is called weather. For example, sunny, windy, rainy, etc. Okay. Rainy is also called weather. Okay. Rainy is termed as weather as well as season. Rainy day means it refers to what? Weather. If I say rainy season, that means it is referred to season. Okay. So I am repeating, what is weather? The condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time is called weather. For example, sunny, windy, rainy, etc. Number 6. What is a season? Answer. When a particular type of weather remains for a month or two, it is called a season. For example, summer, winter, rainy, etc. So students, these 6 questions with answer you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay. And learn the spellings also. So this is what for today. You will write the exercises in the book and you will write the question answer in your classwork notebook and you have to memorize it. This is your homework. Okay. So students, the class ends here. Good day.